Hi everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today in this video we will unbox Redmi K40 and this is a fabulous phone from Xiaomi recently launched in China. So let's unbox it and let's see the box. So this is the box of Redmi K40. K40 is in the golden color, looks really attractive, and this have 4 variants: 6GB 128, 8GB 128, 8GB 256GB and 12GB 256GB variant. 8GB 256 and 12GB 256 price is almost the same. So this is really good step by Xiaomi. Hope they also have the stock. So let's open the box. So they have a silicone cover, SIM ejector tool, and this phone support 4520 mAh battery with 33-watt charger. Company claim the battery charge 0 to 100% in 52 minutes. So we will test this charging test soon in our channel, and if you want more tests of this phone, please comment me. So here is the look of this phone is really fabulous. I really like this color. I ordered black and white. I didn't get K40 this color, but in K40 Pro I get this color, so I will show you. So this phone have a triple camera and layout is really beautiful, very similar to Mi 11, and dual flash. This phone have a Corning Gorilla 5th protection front and back. So back is the glass, and there is a side mounted fingerprint sensor. So many people didn't like this one. In bottom we will find a stereo speaker, type C charging port, same tray, and the frame is plastic frame. So if they provide aluminum frame, which will be much better. And the weight of this phone is 196 grams, so it's very light. There's a very thin single punch hole, 2.76 mm, and the bristles are very less. The phone weight is really light, is 196 gram, and you will feel it's the light-weighted phone. According to the previous phone of Xiaomi, they are more than 200. I really feel very heavy. And this phone have a stereo speaker with high-res certification and Dolby Atmos. So that is really fabulous. You can see the there is a speaker tray on the top also, and we have IR blaster, but there is no antenna race. So there is a plastic frame, which I didn't like. If they provide the aluminium frame, it will be much better, but they want to do the cost cutting and save the money in many aspects. So let's see the SIM tray. So this phone doesn't support micro SD card. Only 2 nano SIM are supported in this phone, and this phone support 5G. So let's look at the screen. This phone supports 6.67-inch Samsung E4 Super AMOLED panel, HDR10 support, and 1300 nits per peak brightness. That is really awesome. Snapdragon 870, a new flagship processor, Android version 11, and this one 6GB and 8GB and 12GB RAM, UFS 3.1, LPDDR5, and Wi-Fi 6 also support in this phone. So the specs is really awesome. So this phone also support 120 Hz refresh rate. You have two options, 60 Hz and 120 Hz. So AMOLED panel, 120 Hz refresh rate, that is awesome combination. And this phone have a 360 Hz touch sampling rate. Really like that one. So let's check the Antutu. The score is 675k. So that is really impressive score for a mid-range price phone, like $300 phone. Really awesome. So Snapdragon 870, Adreno 550, 1080 by 24 screen resolution, 48 plus 8 plus 5 megapixel rear camera, 20 megapixel front camera, 440 dpi density, and 120 Hz refresh rate, 4520 mAh battery, 196 gram phone, Android 11, and this phone also support NFC. So I really like this phone. So let's have a look at the camera of this phone. So this have a triple rear camera, 48 megapixel, Sony IMX582. This is the biggest drawback of this phone. I think the company should do something better with 8 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro lens with dual LED flash. So I really didn't like this one. The front camera is 20 megapixel. So that is awesome. I will review the camera as soon as get this phone in my hand. So this phone doesn't support any OIS and have a digital zoom of 10x. So I think the camera is little disappointing in this phone. The processor is really good, the price is really good, but they really do a lot of cost cutting to save the price. And in the video section we can record 4K video easily. That's awesome. But you know, like the camera sensor, if they use like Sony sensor IMX 682 or 686, that will be much better. But they have to save the cost because the price is really awesome. For like $300 you're getting Snapdragon 870, a really flagship phone. And we have some more features like night mode, 48 megapixel camera shot, and panorama and many more. We will do the camera comparison as soon as we get this phone. So overall I will say the phone is good. Snapdragon 870, LPDDR5, UFS 3.1, Wi-Fi 6 support. The price is only $300. That's really impressive, but there are some cons, like camera sensor is really outdated and there is no 3.5 mm audio jack. Side mounted fingerprint sensor really didn't like, and the plastic frame. So what about you? Did you like this phone? Please comment me, and if you are new to channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give me a like. So meet you in the next video.